Knowing good vocabulary is very important in writing. Using the perfect word in your sentence will help to make your ideas clearer. Try increasing your vocabulary by watching this video to learn how to use new words in sentences. Good vocabulary is important for good writing. Let's look at the word significance. Significance means having meaning or influence or something that is important. Significance is a noun. The significance of this discovery is obvious. Here, the word means that the meaning of the discovery or the influence of the discovery is obvious. Significant is the adjective form. It means that something is important or of consequence. There is significant evidence that there is a connection between hard work and success. We use this word often in essays to show that there's a lot of evidence or influence. If we want to say something is not very important or little influence, we also use the word insignificant. The problem was insignificant to the overall project. Significantly is the adverb form. The number of sales was significantly higher for the last week of the month. This is also a good word to use when you want to emphasize an idea as being important or consequential. And finally, signify is the verb form. Signify means to make known or to be a sign of. The numbers signify the change in opinion among the voters. Here, the word signify means that the numbers show or prove the importance of something. The words significance, significant, significantly, and signify are all good words to use in proving your points in an essay. Be sure to use some of these in your writing. I hope you learned some good ways to use this word. Keep learning new vocabulary words to help you to improve your writing. Happy writing! If you found this lesson helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching Writing Better.